Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you a simple English conversation while traveling in a taxi. Let's begin. This traffic is really bad today. Yeah, I didn't expect so many cars. What time is our flight again? At 6:30 p.m. We still have 2 hours. Oh, that's good. I hope we reach the airport on time. Excuse me, can you take the fastest route, please? Sure, I know a shortcut. Thank you. By the way, do you like traveling? Yes, I love it. I try to visit new places every few months. What about you? I travel sometimes, but not very often. This is my first trip this year. Wow, then we should make this trip special. How about you? Do you like traveling? Tell me in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more English conversations. Thank you.